Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You must have heard the term price is fractal, but you might not know what it really means. So in this video, I'm going to be doing justice to that. I'll break down what it means for price to be fractal. Okay, for price to be fractal, price being fractal simply means that whatever you see happening on a particular time frame can happen on another time frame. So it's more like whatever you see, whatever concept can work out on the higher time frame, that same concept can also work out on the lower time frame. Okay, so be it strategies, concepts, ideologies, whatever it is that you can apply on a particular time frame can also be applied on a different time frame. Okay, so basically I'm going to explain this with the fair value gap concept. We all know what the fair value gap is. When you have three candles and the wick of the first candle does not intersect with the wick of the second candle, and I'm going to show you this concept works on different time frames. I'm starting with the daily time frame. You can see up here I have D1 up here. You see, that's good. Now I've marked out my fair value gap right here because the wick of this candle does not intersect with the wick of this candle, and as you know, fair value gaps, we expect price to actually come back there. They attract price, then price bounces off from that level, and as you can see what played out now, price came into the fair value gap and gave us a sell trade. Okay, so now the concept has been explained on daily time frame. I'll drop down to H4 and show you a fair value gap entry also. So let's go to H4. So this is the 4 hours time frame. I've marked out the example already, so let's just go there. Let me zoom out a bit so I'll find it faster. I don't want to take much of your time. Okay, so we have this. You can see right here, let me delete this quickly. Okay, you can see that the wick of this candle right here does not intersect with the wick of this small candle, leaving us with a gap in between, which is what we call our fair value gap. So we would expect to see price come back there and give us a sell trade. So let's see when price is going to come back there. It took a while actually. Okay, we have it right here. So price came back there around this area, and what happened, we have a sell trade. Let me shift the chart a bit. Okay, so you can see this wonderful sell trade that it gave us. Same concept that I applied on the daily time frame is what I'm applying on the H4 time frame, showing you that price is fractal. Now you are beginning to understand what it means for price to be fractal. Let's go to a lower time frame. Now let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes time frame. Okay, that's the purple line. Okay, so right here we have a fair value gap right here because the wick of this candle, though actually small, the wick of that candle does not intersect with the wick of this third candle, leaving us with what? Leaving us with a gap in between. Okay, this is the 15 minutes time frame, and price tapped back into the fair value gap, quickly, and gave us what's a buy trade. So this is the idea when it comes to price being fractal. No matter the time frame, the concept, the ideology is still going to work. Okay, no matter the strategy, is still going to work. But I am not ignorant of the fact that some strategies work better with some time frames. Okay, better in quotes. That they work better in some time frame does not mean they are not going to work in other time frames, just that they might work better. Probably it needs a faster time frame. That does not mean a bigger time frame is going to flop completely. No, it's still going to work, but definitely emphasis on the word better. Okay, so why this is important is because some people, they learn a concept or a strategy and they're asking, what time frame is this for? What time frame is this for? Yes, it's going to be for a particular time frame, meaning it works better on that time frame, but that does not mean it does not work on other time frames. Okay, sometimes, let me give you this hint. Sometimes when you learn something from someone, who you feel is better than you learn a strategy from him, okay, or the person is going to give you a time frame to use, okay. Say, oh, this strategy works best on this particular time frame. The thing is, if you have the time and you are serious and you backtest, you can even try other time frames while you are backtesting to see. You might end up finding out that there is a time frame where it even works better, okay, compared to the time frame the person you are learning from, the tutor, gave you, okay. So the thing is, you need to be a serious person. If you want to be a forex trader, you need to be very, very serious. You must be able to do a lot of backtesting. Whatever you learn, you backtest it. You even see if there is a way you can adjust it to best, fit your style of trading and give you better results. Okay, if you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.